morning friends and welcome back to my channel Ripples on Road. So we are leaving Palakkad now. I am going to Mavelikera. Early morning, the Palakkad town looks like this. We are in an auto.
And I am with my brother-in-law, Mr. Raymond. And this is his school. So this was his school where he studied, my brother-in-law.
And this auto has a fan and a music system over there.
So I am thankful to my brother-in-law. He agreed to accompany me to the railway station. Thanks, Ray bhai. Thank you very much.
This is a level crossing. You go to Palakkad Junction and here's Palakkad town.
So now we are very close to the railway station. And here you can see lot of banana chips and wafers. So the station is very close.
We reach station by this auto. Here, my luggage, my sleeping bag, and we thought we will have some breakfast here. My brother-in-law is taking the number of the auto rickshaw guy. So early morning, it's now 7. My train is at 8 o'clock, so we reached early here. There's a hotel here also. So nice restaurant, family restaurant. We have something here. Having vada. This is vada and sambar. And this is a restaurant, a nice restaurant. Brother-in-law had a cup of tea. No breakfast. We will go home and have a good breakfast. So we are entering the station now. We are early, but it's better to be early. So we are entering now. Yeah, and from our house to this place was 15 minutes by the auto rickshaw. So friends, we have reached the station, Palakkad Junction. And so beautiful it looks here. Got a platform ticket from my brother-in-law. He is seeing there. So these are the counters here for tickets. Very clean station, if you see. Brother-in-law is checking the train number and the bogie number, at which place the bogie may arrive. So here 22647, this is my train.
5
And
five,
mine is
platform 3.
M2. So from the engine it is 5th. Okay, nearby we go. Yes, yes.
Platform 3, no?
Platform number
3.
3, yes. So here is the platform number 3. People are running to catch a train. This is a goods train here. So we go by lift here. There is a lift there. See, this has a 2 locomotive here. This goods train. See the station, so beautiful. Waiting hall for sleeper class. And here if you want, you can just pay 30 rupees. And you can sit here per hour, 30 rupees, air conditioned. This is Palakkad Junction, AC waiting hall. Nice arrangements, eh? So we go by a lift here. Platform number 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if you want to keep your luggage, you can keep it here, smart luggage locker, and move around the city. There is a camera also there, so people will know. It's very good. My brother-in-law is seeing. I am seeing for the first time. Ray bhai?
Yeah.
You're seeing it for the first time? Yes, you know, you have to scan. Need a help here. You have to do everything here online. Okay? Yeah, well, first time, no? Ray bhai?
I am also noticing.
Yeah, first time we are noticing this. And see the elevator, so clean. Come. This is so clean. See? And our Mumbai elevators, horrible. So we have come up.
See
Now
that?
we'll go. Yeah. So see the cleanliness. There is no spitting here. See.
Well kept.
Well kept, eh? Really. I hats off to Kerala people. Ray bhai, good. So keep it very clean, you know. So we take another elevator. we can go by that. Rebhai.
No, that is not it.
No, it's working. It's working. Come. So we were there. There is another train coming. So we take an escalator. So we have taken the elevator. So we have come to platform number 3. This is the platform. This is a train entering, huh? Rebhai. Oh, the train has left. So 30 rupees, and there are so many air-conditioned waiting halls here. And there are food stalls. See the cleanliness. Oh my God. You have chai and coffee. So 6 is here. We can sit here. We can wait here with our luggage. Also, you have a massage chair here. So if you want a nice massage, you can sit here and have a massage. There's a locomotive here. Let me show you the locomotive here. We are sitting here and we watch the women cleaning the platform and the railway track. So sad, people throwing everything and they have to clean it. There are 2 ladies on the track, they are cleaning the railway track so that the station looks clean. Oh. Going to Coimbatore. There's a local train going to Coimbatore. So this is my train. It started yesterday at morning and today it's come here. Sorry, day before yesterday morning, Korba. So day before yesterday morning it started, and 27th, today is 29th, it has come here now. This is my coach, M2. And mine is 59, so it will be somewhere here.
Yeah,
Bye, Rebhai, thank you. So I boarded the train. This is the train. I'll show you inside. It's empty now because many people have got down. Hey, thank you for everything. Bye. My brother-in-law is come. Happy journey. Yeah? Thank you. Take care. So he has left and we are leaving Palakkad station. Junction, Palakkad Junction it is. So Palakkad Junction, saying bye to Palakkad. Feel sad, but... So friends, that was my berth up. I slept for some time in the morning. So this is the middle berth. Clean. It was very dirty, but when I entered it was dirty, but now it's clean. We've reached Ernakulam. The train is about half an hour late now. And here there's a diversion. There's 2 routes. One goes towards the interior and other goes to the coastal road. So friends, this is Ernakulam town, and if you go straight ahead it is Ernakulam Junction. See the tracks, Ray. So friends, see the track, how clean it is. See how clean they are. Some Christmas celebration on the station. So this is Ernakulam town. Seeing these motorcycles, I remember my journey to Kerala, from Mumbai to Kerala, and then I took my motorcycle to Mumbai. Now if you see, we'll be turning on left. Can you see the locomotive? So we are turning left. There is another track which goes straight. I'll show you from here. हाँ बोलेगा यार. So that's the station. So friends, now you can see this line which goes straight goes to Alleppey and Ernakulam Junction. There is a station first, Ernakulam Junction, then it goes to Alleppey. See, we are turning left here. So we'll be going to the interiors of Kerala. And beautiful place, friends, with lot of rubber estate and banana plantation, lot of plantation here. So you can see the locomotive. There's the locomotive over there. It's a long train. See on this side, you can see it's a very long train. Lot of air conditioned coaches here. Some repair work. There's another train coming from the other side. You can see this train is touching the other. This is Ernakulam Velankani. Oh, this goes to a place where most of the Christians they go. Velankani is a religious place where most of the people they go for prayers and all. It's written where Ernakulam Velankani in Malayalam. The train is so clean. Most of the southern trains are really very clean. From outside, inside Velankani, you can see it's written Velankani. Thought of getting down at Tiruvalla, but the train is late. So I'll go straight to Mavelikara for the wedding. Friends, this place, you see how beautiful. Most of the things here is paddy and plantation. So rubber plantation, pineapple. See the beauty, friends. And most of the people are very rich here because of the rubber plantation. Some beautiful houses you can see on the way. See, you see some very good houses here. The temple. Complete plantation area. Lot of independent houses. See friends how they clean the station. Real dedication, and see the tracks so clean. I was to get down here at Tiruvalla to buy some motorcycle parts for my motorcycle, which I don't get in Mumbai because it's 36 years old. But now I thought it's very hot also, and the person who sells the parts is not picking up the phone. So friends, if I get down and if I don't get the parts, so then it's of no use, so better I don't get down. Let me see, in the evening if I get time, I'll come back. So I'm going now straight to Mavelikara. Mavelikara is from here about 35 kilometers to 40 kilometers. So this is Tiruvalla. It was a very nice old house over here. There are some flats, but no one is occupying it. Tiruvalla is one of the very, rich, you can say, town, one of the very rich town. When I see this roads and all, so beautiful it looks. Friends, I am about to reach now. This is Mavelikara. Was long back, 30-35 years back I was in Mavelikara, but this is the first time after 35 years. Beautiful paddy fields are there. I don't know whether you will be able to see that. Just nearby. So the station is this side. I was waiting on the other side. So this is Mavelikara station. It's a train leaving. And the station looks good. Yeah. So I have to walk a lot because I am in the front of the train. The station looks really beautiful. So friends, with my luggage, I got down from this train and I will be now taking a auto rickshaw. The marriage is at 3:30 and because I didn't go to Tiruvalla, I got down here and see the time now. The time is getting 1:40. So I'm very early. The marriage is at 3:30. I will go change my dress because this is my traveling dress. And the station is here. The train is waiting to leave. So the train is leaving. The guy is showing a green flag over there. If you are able to see, it's showing a green flag. So most of this are air conditioned. Then you have the sleeper class. All like first class air conditioned, sleeper class. This is sleeper class. And what is this one? Oh, this is the pantry car. This is the pantry car. All sleeper class, non-air conditioned. And can you see the flowers? So most of them, they are going to Sabrimala. Sabrimala is a religious place for Hindu. So he is showing a green flag here, saying bye. Bye to my train. So I have to climb the bridge and go. Lift here. So clean it is. I feel so nice, you know. Just press here. With the music going on. And see the cleanliness. I love Kerala. Very clean. If you see, no spitting, nothing. So it's so clean. Come out of this here, and from here you can see the station. So you come here and take another lift to another side. This is the train station here. So if you don't have a luggage, you can just walk down. But I have a luggage, so I go to the lift. Wait for the lift here. And this is how the station looks. See the cleanliness, friends. Not a single rubbish here on the tracks. And rest of India, horrible. Friends, I forgot to tell you, we have to come here in night. Our train is at 9:30, so we have to again be back here at this station. So the train is at 9:30, so after the wedding and reception, we will be back here again in the night. So I got an auto and I'm going first to I'm not going straight to the wedding church, but I'm going to the reception hall to change myself and have some food. So if I get some food, I'll just keep my luggage there and have some food here. And here I saw something to sit here. So this is Mavelikara. Welcome to Mavelikara. Beautiful town. I'm coming here after 35 years. It's a beautiful town of Mavelikara. See some very old houses here. See this house. And there is a temple just in front there. It's a very old house here. Oh, it's a nice town. Some shops here. Supermarket, they sell fish, vegetables, kappa. Railway line goes up. So my train might have passed on this bridge here up. Might have passed. Very old house here. One more very old house. And which church is this? Oh, this is the wedding church. Yes, yes, yes. And reception is here next to that. Okay, I got it. Here is the reception. reception hall, Grace. I went to the convention hall to change, and nearby there was no restaurant. I took a bus, a local bus, 13 rupees, and I have come to this restaurant here. It looks like a good restaurant because there were some other restaurants which were not that good. So I have come here. Oh, the smell is good, yeah. They have juice and all, so let me go and have something. Really hungry. Oh, that's a good restaurant here. So friends, I come to this restaurant. It's an air-conditioned one. Good ambience and all that. And I'll show you the menu. So here you have a lot of varieties, but we just ordered something. Starters you have, fish cutlet you have, so many things you have. Chicken, soup you have, salad you have, and then mutton, duck roast, fish, and vegetables here, something, kadai mushroom. But what I ordered is chicken biryani, 180. Then you have lemon rice and curd rice and Kashmiri pilau. So many things in the rice. Crabs you have, crab roast. Noodles you have. Kappa means you can say it's like sweet potato, but a different one. So prawns you have, your squid you have, egg you have, and oh my God, menu is horrible. And then this is, I don't know what is this. Alfam, they have written, I don't know what it is. So, and then I wanted something, this one, blueberry, but he says no, so I ordered lime soda, fresh lime soda. So my food has come. This is biryani, chicken biryani with raita and a pickle and one papadam. So one papadam there. So let me see how it is. You have 3 pieces of chicken, 1, 2 and 3 big piece and egg here. So I'm enjoying my food.